this is the Jay Mezzi Show, and today we have Jeremiah with us.
Hi, my name is Jeremiah Guy Williams. I am an ecology student at the University of Texas at Austin.
So, my first question is, what is the problem scenario?
Okay, the problem scenario is that many of our nation's wetlands are in danger of being destroyed or contaminated by human interactions.
Why is this problem worth solving?
The problem is worth solving because wetlands are very important to our ecosystems. They are natural buffers, they are water filters, and they also hold many aquatic lives and plants and animals that live there.
What are the potential solutions that an engineer might develop to solve this problem?
One of the solutions an engineer may develop is to try to preserve the wetlands, and also they may try to find new ways to create new products to also help and maybe reverse the effects of harm.
What knowledge, skills, education, and training would an engineer need to be able to develop these solutions?
For the basics, I believe they would need science. That should be more of a baseline, especially knowledge in aquatic science, as well as biology and ecology. Another would be an effective background in engineering disciplines, just be able to make sure that they're able to communicate with the engineers efficiently and effectively.
What other types of STEM professionals are likely to collaborate with engineer in developing solutions to this problem?
Most notably, it'll probably be civil engineers, especially because a lot of the destruction of wetlands is caused by urbanization, and that is the urbanizing of people across a landscape. It's important just to make sure that the things that they're building aren't near wetlands or that they wouldn't affect the environment in a totally drastic way. Another would probably be especially environmental engineers, just to kind of make sure they're the ones who work with the environment, so they kind of know about the basis of which to go.
So, what type of business might this engineer work for?
Environmental engineers are used in most of the businesses. Pretty much any type of business that has any type of influence with the environment should have an environmental engineer to ensure that anything that the business is doing is in compliance and is actually having a less impact on our environment or even able to help the environment.
Okay. So, Jeremiah, can you explain to me what wetlands are?
That's a great question. I actually have a packet of information about wetlands. And wetlands are the area that covers the soil or is present either at or near the surface of soil all year long. So, common names for wetlands include swamps, bogs, and all of which attest to the diversity of wetlands.
What good for our environment do wetlands do?
As I said before, wetlands are a natural buffer. They actually provide protection against hurricanes, especially the flooding and storm surges. In addition, they're actually natural filters, and many states, cities who live near coastal wetlands can actually benefit and save money in water treatment costs.
So, can you actually imagine what a world without wetlands would be?
Possibly a scary place. Without wetlands, there's no doubt that our world would be very different, possibly more costly. We will have contaminants, haywire, and all the ecology and all the organisms that live in those wetlands will have nowhere to live, and they will eventually die out.
So, thanks for watching. Thank you for being on my show today. It was
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.